Hi, I'm Mackenzie.
And I'm Alexis.
And we're on the Biossance education team. And we could talk about the Biossance skincare products all day long, but today we're gonna focus on our best-selling products that are always fan favorites.
Because Biossance is a results-driven brand backed by science, you know these formulas are going to deliver. And each and every single one is packed with our signature Biossance ingredient, sugarcane-derived squalane oil.
Squalane oil is hands down the best moisturizing oil for your body because it's the stable version of your body's natural moisture that you're born with. It's lightweight, it's fast absorbing, dermatologist approved, and it won't clog your pores, making it great for all skin types.
Squalane also enhances the active skincare ingredients in all of our products, making them work more effectively on your skin. Let's take a look at our award-winning eye product, Squalane Plus Marine Algae Eye Cream. This eye cream is phenomenal. It softens the look of expression lines and visibly lifts and firms the delicate skin around your eye area. The texture is rich and melts right into your skin, leaving the perfect canvas for makeup. You can use it above or below your eye area or apply it in your morning routine or your evening routine.
And in that evening routine, you can follow that eye cream step with our Squalane Plus Lactic Acid Resurfacing Night Serum. This is a powerful yet gentle exfoliating serum that smooths out rough texture and bumpy skin. It also helps to decongest.
Moving on to moisturizer. Here we have the Squalane Plus Omega Repair Cream. This is the ultimate moisturizer for dry skin. It's full of ingredients that your skin loves. Ceramides, fatty acids, lipids, and more to really protect and nourish your skin. The texture is rich, almost whipped, but feels so weightless on your skin. It won't leave you feeling greasy after application. You can use it in your morning routine or your evening routine. And yes, it is fragrance-free, so all skin types can use it, even sensitive or eczema prone.
And we can't forget our Squalane Plus Vitamin C Rose Oil. This is a luxurious, hydrating face oil with treatment benefits. It's extremely lightweight and fast absorbing, but it gives your skin this radiant, dewy glow. Really just makes your skin very happy. It helps to brighten your skin with vitamin C and Chios crystal oil. Use a few drops and then press and massage into your skin, and your foundation and your makeup will look great all day long.
And it smells amazing.
We love that rose Damascus scent.
And if you're on the more oily side like I am, I sometimes skip my moisturizing step altogether. I go straight to using the vitamin C rose oil a few nights a week.
The best part about all 4 of these bestsellers is that they come in a perfect set, the Rapid Radiance set. It's great for an intro to the brand or even as a gift.
We know you're gonna love these products as much as we do, and hopefully they make their way into your travel bag or your everyday skincare routine.